Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Making your own hazelnut chocolate at home is surprisingly simple, and it opens up a world of fresh, authentic flavor. You get to control every single ingredient, ensuring a pure and additive-free treat for yourself or your loved ones. Forget those store-bought options. The rich, nutty taste of homemade hazelnut chocolate is truly unmatched and offers a delightful indulgence. It's a fun and rewarding kitchen adventure. To embark on this delicious journey, you only need a handful of simple ingredients. Your primary stars will be fresh, high-quality hazelnuts, rich cocoa powder, and your preferred sweetener, like maple syrup or powdered sugar. For that extra depth of flavor, don't forget a splash of pure vanilla extract and just a tiny pinch of sea salt. These elements work together to create a truly balanced and delightful chocolate experience. The secret to deep hazelnut flavor begins with roasting. Spread your hazelnuts on a baking sheet and roast them until they're golden and incredibly fragrant, filling your kitchen with a wonderful aroma. Once cool enough to handle, gently rub off their skins. This step ensures a smoother, less bitter chocolate. Finally, blend these beautiful nuts in a food processor until they miraculously transform into a silky, luscious, homemade hazelnut butter. With your gorgeous hazelnut butter ready, it's time to build the chocolate itself. Carefully add your cocoa powder, chosen sweetener, that vanilla extract, and the pinch of salt directly into the food processor with the hazelnut butter. Continue blending everything for several minutes. You'll notice it transform into a thick, uniform chocolate paste, glossy and beautifully smooth, perfectly combined and ready for the final step. Your delicious hazelnut chocolate is almost ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the thick mixture into your chosen mold or a small, shallow dish, ensuring it's evenly spread. Now, transfer it to the refrigerator and chill for at least 1 hour. This allows the chocolate to firm up beautifully. Once fully set, simply slice into squares or shards, then serve and truly savor your incredible, homemade hazelnut chocolate creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.